Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video I'm going to show you the What Can You Create Introductory Challenge. So what you're going to do is you're going to use only these types of blocks to create anything you can imagine or experiment with. So you can add in any number of sprites you want. You can use any number of these blocks. However, you can only use these types of blocks in your project. So you can combine this with this. You can add in some of this. You can add in even more repeats inside of here. Just experiment with it. So try out all these different blocks and see what you can do. Now, if you're stuck and you're not sure what a block can do, you could always ask a friend, or you could check out the tutorials and see if maybe something in here can help you figure out how to use one of the blocks in an interesting way for your project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.